5 things you should know about newly launched Kia Carens. Kia India took the wraps of the Carens in India last week. The Karen saw its world premiere in India, and incidentally, India will also be the sole manufacturing hub for the Karens for both domestic and export purposes. This will be Kia's third mass market product for India that's been earmarked for a launch around February to March next year. Bucking the SUV trend, Kia has taken a very unique approach for the Karens. Here we tell you 5 things you need to know about the Karens. Kia Carens Dimensions. The Kia Carens is based on a stretched version of the Creta Seltos platform, similar to the Hyundai Alcazar. In fact, the Carens has the longest wheelbase in this segment, which is 30 mm longer than the Toyota Innova Cita 2, although the Toyota is longer when it comes to overall length. The dimensions certainly point to a spacious interior. Kia Carens Exterior Design. The Kia Carens has a very striking presence to say the least. It has the proportions of an MPV, but also gets several styling features from an SUV. Up front, the face is characterized by a striking split-lid headlamp assembly and a sealed-off grille that's housed within a contrasting gloss back trim. The grille even features some 3D patterns and a brushed silver insert for some added bling. Down below, the front bumper is more sedately styled, although the gaping central air intake does add some character. In fact, Kia's signature tiger nose motif is now featured on the bumper and not on the grille, although very subtly. Kia Carens Interior Design. In typical Kia fashion, the interior of the Carens is very well appointed with premium-looking materials and a well-laid-out dashboard. Interestingly, the dashboard is quite deep, extending well towards the front windshield, thanks to a slight cap-forward design typically seen in MPVs. The interior also has a clean, layered effect with the infotainment system neatly integrated in the dash. There is even some fine detailing on the dashboard trim and on the door panels, adding some jazz to the interior. Below the top half, the AC vents have been integrated seamlessly along the width of the interior. It also gets a new touch-based panel with toggle switches for operating the climate controls, with the ambient lighting panel underlining all of this. The center console is short and stubby and features additional controls for seat ventilation, drive modes, etc. The Carens will be available in both 6 and 7-seat configurations, with the former getting captain's seats for the second row. The third row of seats, however, do not seem the most generous in terms of space. Kia Carens Features. This being a Kia, the equipment list is a big highlight of the Carens. Top-spec variants of the Carens will come equipped with a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Kia's UVO Connect. It also gets a fully digital instrument cluster, an 8-speaker Bose sound system, and a multifunction steering wheel with buttons for audio controls, voice commands, and calling, similar to the one seen on the Seltos and the Sonate. Notably, the Carens gets roof-mounted AC vents to aid cooling at the rear, which rules out the possibility of a panoramic sunroof in the future. The Carens only gets a single-pane sunroof. Other highlights on the Carens include a 64-color ambient lighting, ventilated front seats, seat back tables with cup holders, electrically powered, one-touch tumble-down feature for the second row, first-in-segment feature, and an air purifier. Kia has particularly stressed on safety features with the Carens, as all models get 6 airbags, ABS, Escape, Hill Start Assist, disc brakes at all 4 ends, TPMS and rear parking sensors as standard. Kia Carens Engine and Gearbox Options. Under the hood, the Carens gets the option of 2 petrol engines and a diesel engine. The first is a 115 horsepower, 144 Newton meters, 1.5-liter naturally aspirated petrol engine, which will solely be offered with a 6-speed manual gearbox. Then there is the 140 horsepower, 242 Newton meters, 1.4-liter turbocharged petrol engine that comes mated to either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed VCT gearbox. Lastly, the diesel engine is a 1.5-liter unit that produces 115 horsepower and 250 Newton meters of peak torque, and Kia offers either a 6-speed manual or 6-speed torque converter automatic gearbox. These engine gearbox combinations are the same as the ones offered in the Seltos. The Kia Carens is expected to be priced similarly to the Hyundai Alcazar, which means it could range between Rs 16 to 20 lakh ex-showroom. When launched, the Kia Carens will be positioned between the Maruti XL6 and the Toyota Innova Crysta. It will rival the likes of the Hyundai Alcazar and other similarly priced SUVs in this range.